Jack Kirby created many of the heroes that are owned by Marvel Comics. And Kirby has a great line. Comics is an American form of art that anyone can do with a pencil and paper. That is such a powerful thing. They are an art form in which one, two, maybe three people can create a really sophisticated object with just a pen and paper. No talent really required because people are very intimidated to start drawing. But drawing is something that comes naturally to us. We all draw. Maybe we put it away because we learn to censor ourselves and we learn shame. But we all start out happy to draw, and we can all draw, and we can all create a story. And in the course I teach, I've actually leaned heavier and heavier on that element of comics. The more mature I've become as a teacher and as a comics reader, I've really built my course now around making cartoons, comic strips, and comics. And what my students discover in that is that they start out saying, oh, I can't do this. I can't draw. That Eleanor Davis picture, I could never draw that. And then by the second project, they're like, well, I guess if I tried, I could. And then by the third strip, they're doing it. And all of a sudden, you got Biden and Trump and a whole political commentary. And then they get to their final cartoon. And for the most part, it's really just a seamless execution of the imagination. All you need is a pencil and paper, and you can commit an imaginative statement to tangible form. And that is so powerful. It's so powerful, especially in our time now where we're all faced with this flatness of interpersonal relationships. We're all separated by screens right now. And the ability to make a statement that you feel your own fingers building is so powerful. I'm really excited to be part of it every time I teach comics.